Hey guys, I just wanted to show y'all what I bought to go with my ChefsTemp products. It's pretty daggum awesome. Let's take a look. So I bought this Apache 4800 case at Harbor Freight. You can see right there, it was 60 bucks. But it has the little punch out foam in it, so you can fit your stuff in there however snugly you want. Let me just show you kind of what I did. But here it is. I got a couple of Breezo fans. I got my S1 right here. I'm about to put it on the smoker right there in a second. I've got another one coming, so that's what that slot's for. And then my ProTemp 2 probes here, my original probes there. I've got a couple more of these coming as well. And then all my cords and accessories and stuff. So pretty awesome little setup. I really like having everything in one spot now. Man, I had it in 3 or 4 different places and it was driving me crazy. So, but yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. Pretty cool. To me, it's worth 60 bucks. They make several different size units. This was the biggest one. You know, you could get 2 smaller ones for about the same price as one big one. So maybe if you've got some stuff, maybe you don't want to have your probes in with your stuff like this, so or whatever. But yeah, for 60 bucks, heck of a deal.